Good day. Thank you for joining us. My name is Warren Davison and I'll be taking you through the November 2019 PSG Wealth Fund performance. Setting a macro theme, global equity markets were broadly higher in November, with the exception of emerging markets, which struggled with a stronger dollar. Government bond yields rose, which saw prices fall for the month. US equities rose on the hopes of a preliminary US-China trade deal. IT stocks performed well, while less economically sensitive sectors like utilities and real estate were weaker. Eurozone equities also rose, supported by some improving data from the manufacturing sector. Christine Lagarde took over the presidency of the European Central Bank. In the UK, international considerations largely took a back seat over the November, as domestically focused areas of the market performed well, and the sterling extended its recent recovery. Emerging market equities fell. A number of markets sensitive to the US dollar strength lagged, most notably in Latin America. Bond markets reflected a better mood as government bond yields rose and corporate bonds outperformed. Looking at the performance over the minimum investment period, the Wealth Offshore Fund of Fund range had a great month. Over the minimum recommended investment period, all global fund of funds are ahead of their respective benchmark. Looking at our quartile rankings, these remain excellent, with top quartile performance from 3 of our 6 global fund of funds since inception. Over the recommended holding period, which is illustrated by the circle, we have achieved top quartile for 4 of the 6 funds, with the preserver recently slipping into the second quartile. The PSG selected managers had an exceptional month, with 70% of the underlying managers outperforming the peer group average over the last month. Growth stocks outperformed value, with the MSCI World Growth and MSCI World Value returning 3.5% and 2.1% respectively. Looking at the quantitative risk radar, one fund appeared on the quant radar this month, largely due to the currency impact of the pound. As we can see, the fund was not on the USD class and was only present on the preserver. There are no funds on the qualitative radar for the month. Just to conclude, as you can see from the funds, have all performed exceptionally well, delivering strong returns across the different risk spectrums. Thank you for attending this performance presentation. Please take note of the following disclaimer, and should you have any questions, please feel free to contact us.